Today marked a first step to begin a serious attempt to help the people at Masson Cass. This is such a major crisis, the governor is part of the effort to bring about solutions. As we've reported, Governor Baker has held several face-to-face meetings at the State House over the last few weeks with the mayor, attorney general, DA, police, public defenders, and court officials to work on solutions to the crisis at Masson Cass. And last week we showed you in disturbing detail the raw misery that is reality there, worsening week to week. Experts tell us a key to effectively helping people is to have an individualized approach, to offer people a kind of treatment for addiction and mental illness, along with housing that they need. Today, I asked the governor what's next. What do you see as solutions to this problem, and how do you plan to be part of it?
Well, the main thing we've tried to do is to create capacity to serve folks who are in the midst of what's obviously a terrible situation for themselves. By being able to find solutions for some of those folks and to give them alternatives, hopefully we can get some of the folks who are down there taking advantage of them out of the mix.
The governor says he and the city and healthcare providers have been working with the Suffolk County Sheriff on his offer to create a special court in the Sheriff's Detention Center, where people would be offered services specially designed for their needs, unlike what's seen in a traditional courtroom.
Creating what we've all called kind of a stabilization court, which is a court that would make it possible for people who in many cases may have outstanding warrants, may have outstanding issues, but are in terrible physical condition, and in some cases dealing and battling with demons at this very moment.
And the governor also said there are a lot of opportunities associated with housing to help people who are struggling, and he made it clear they are not all in Boston. In the newsroom, Karen Anderson, 5 Investigates.